Good morning, Ask with Kay.
Good morning.
Miss Kathy. Say good morning, Miss Kathy. Can you introduce yourself? Tell everybody your name and how old you are. What's your name? And how old are you? Say, I'm 3 years old. Very good. How are you today? Fine. Say, I'm fine, thank you. Can you show everybody what you have in your hand? Can you turn it around and show us? Can you show it to your friends? Very nice. Can you tell me about it? Say, I have shapes. Can you tell me some of the shapes that you have? Say, I have. Very good. Can you tell me your poem? Okay, whenever you're ready. Do you need? Say, circles, ovals. They are fun. Circles, ovals, they are fun. Squares and rectangles, all in one. All in one. Very good. Triangles are number 3. 3. Stars are glittery. Can you see? Can you see?
Can you see?
Circles and ovals are lots. They are fun. Circles and ovals.
Circles, ovals.
They are fun.
They are fun.
Squares and rectangles. All in one. Very good. Next time, can you try to speak in full sentences? Say yes. And can you next time show me your picture?
Yeah.
Say yes. Okay, friends. Let's give them big cheers. What do you say? Say thank you, friends.